After installing Lomi Center server and client package, you may have to install some Detector add-ons. Let me give you more information on this. So first, we need to know what is a Detector add-on and why do we need it. So Detector add-on installation programs contain detection tools for video content analysis purposes. Detection tools are embedded with a set of algorithms used to analyze video and audio streams and generate analysis results. For example, if you want to do face recognition in Lomi Center, you should install the corresponding Detector add-on, which contains the Face VA detection tool. By default, Lomi Center installation program contains the basic Detector pack, including some most frequently used detection tools. I'm not sure if you still remember when we first installed Lomi Center, you have the option to install the basic Detector pack. So the basic Detector pack contains some most frequently used detection tools as follows. As you can see here, all these detection tools are very classic. On the right of the table, you can also see detection subtools. So what is a detection subtool? So detection tools and detection subtools are actually parent-child relationship. Detection tools will do the analysis of the video and audio stream and generate the metadata. The detection subtools, on the other hand, will use this data to do some VCA analysis, for example, line crossing, loitering in area, etc. I will give you more information in the chapter of analytics. So this is the basic Detector pack that we have in Lomi Center. Please note that this basic Detector pack also has an independent installation program that gets updated more often than the Lomi Center installation program. In other words, you can upgrade the basic Detector pack independently. So, if you need more features in Lomi Center, you need Detector add-on. We have all kinds of Detector add-ons for different detection tools. For example, we have this NeuroPack add-on. As you can see here, the detection tools are definitely more advanced than the basic Detector pack. However, these add-ons may require license purchase. So based on different add-ons, you have different detection tools and detection subtools. The most popular ones are the ones related to face recognition and license plate recognition. To use face detection or license plate recognition related functions, you need to make sure that the right Detector add-on has been installed in the Lomi Center server. We also have some other Detector add-ons related to crowd estimation and business analysis. These add-ons may not be as frequently used as the previous ones, but I will just give you the details in case you need them. And now, let me show you how to install a Detector add-on. To install a Detector add-on, first download it from the Lomi Center official website. The Detector add-on installation program should be a file in the format of MSI. Next, stop Lomi Center server. Next, run the executable file and wait for the installation to complete. Last, start Lomi Center server, and now you can use the detection tools that come with the Detector add-on. There are some details to which you need to pay attention. First, the versions of the basic Detector pack and the Detector pack add-ons must be the same. If the versions are different, you must update the version of either the basic Detector pack or the Detector pack add-ons so that they are of the same versions. This is extremely important. If the versions are different, even if you install the Detector add-on, you cannot use the detection tools. Next, to upgrade the basic Detector pack or a Detector pack add-on, stop Lomi Center server and run the latest version of the Detector add-on installation program. There is no need to uninstall the previous Detector add-on. If you want, however, to downgrade the basic Detector pack, you need to uninstall the current Detector pack, and then install the older version of the basic Detector pack. But in most scenarios, we only do the upgrade instead of downgrading the currently installed program.